Alright, I'm gonna start feeding the birds today. I got some orange juice, some Reese's, some peanuts, mashed potato. I got some chicken and string bean and some mushrooms and peppers. See if the birds will go for those. And then some bread, popcorn, water. And then I got 2 little sandwiches, and it's actually got a mushroom inside the sandwiches. And I mushed the sandwiches together, that way they wouldn't come apart. So actually, this is only like a few of the mushrooms. I've got like 2 mushrooms in one sandwich, and then the other one has a little mushroom in the second one. So I just put a little bit out just to see, just to kind of get the birds used to the vegetables. I put mashed potatoes out. Well, I mean, I know they'll eat that, and that's a vegetable. So why wouldn't they eat the other vegetables? Doesn't really make sense, you know? So I'm just gonna go ahead and say that, you know, I actually overslept today. I was sick the past few days, actually. I just edited my videos from the 25th all the way through the 28th yesterday. It was quite a while. It took quite a while for me to do that. But here we go. I'm back in the routine again. And hopefully, you know, I'll be able to do some more editing, special editing, if I see anything going on and everything. There were 3 crows up on that tree just like 10 minutes ago, and then they flew away as soon as someone walked over there at the neighbor's yard. So they're not there no more. Nope, those crows are never there. I mean, when I'm out here, those crows are gone. And I actually was standing right there watching the crows. I was actually behind the door, actually. That's where I was, and there was a crow up on that tree right there. There was 1 crow on the lower tree branch, 1 on the higher tree branch, but they're not there no more. But today I'm going to do things a little bit differently. Today I'm going to put the decoy crow out today, again, since I'm here and I don't have work till 3, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Here we go. Oh look, and there's some bunch of crows on that tree right there, by the way. I know you can't see it that well, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 crows. Now there's 3. One of them flew. One of them is flying towards me, actually. Actually, is that a crow? Oh, that's not a crow. That's a... Oh, wait, that is a crow. Ah, I see. It is a crow. I wasn't thinking it was. Oh my gosh, here they come. Oh. Yeah. So there they go again. They're kind of flying around. They were all the way at those trees, and they came all the way over to that tree there for whatever reason. So we'll see what we get today. We're gonna see what we got today. Got some Reese's Pieces, by the way, some orange juice right there, some potatoes, some mushrooms and chicken and peppers and bread and popcorn and water, and then a couple sandwiches, mini sandwiches stuffed in with mushrooms inside it, and then peanuts, and then pizza crust. So I didn't get any birds yesterday. There are a lot of crows right now, more than there was yesterday. I maybe saw 1 or 2. 1 crow was really, really big there, and that one was actually up on that tree. And I saw another big crow, and that one has actually, you can actually see it right there on that tree. You can't see it very good, but it's there. But there's 3 of them just on that tree right there. and there's even more probably somewhere behind there. So we're gonna see if we can attract these crows, hopefully somehow. I didn't put that much meat out. I mostly put bread and other stuff here, but I have all that other stuff in the freezer. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start now. Here we go. food. Show you what we got today. Get some orange juice, some Reese's, some potatoes, some chicken, a little bit of bacon, a little bit of mushrooms and peppers, some green beans, some popcorn, some water, and then a couple sandwich snack bite things. So we're gonna see what we get today. It's kind of cold, it's windy, very windy. There wasn't any birds eating the bread yet. My grandpa put the bread out just 15 minutes ago or so. So I didn't put that much food out today. I might put the decoy crow out, so I'm going to come back and do that. Alright, here we go.